Hello and welcome to day 55 of Bedtime Welsh, and we got some monsters for you this time. Some big remindery old things coming back to the surface. So good luck with them, but don't worry if you make loads of mistakes, that's all fine. So the first one, I'm going to start feeling nervous. Can you remember that? I'm going to start feeling nervous.
Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus.
Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus. Okay, next one follows on naturally from that. If you ask me what the answer is.
Os wyt ti'n gofyn I mi beth ydi'r ateb.
Os wyt ti'n gofyn I mi beth ydi'r ateb. Okay, fantastic. So how about I'm feeling happy because I like speaking Welsh.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus oherwydd dwi'n licio siarad Cymraeg.
Achos, da ni wedi gwneud achos. Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus achos dwi'n licio siarad Cymraeg. Angharad just using a different way to say because there, don't worry about that. Okay, how about I haven't finished eating.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta. And finally for today, after making you sweat a little bit, here's a slightly more simple one. Because I'm reading a book.
Achos dwi'n darllen llyfr.
Achos dwi'n darllen llyfr. Da iawn ti am newid hynny I llyfr instead of a llyfr yn da. Okay, so that's your lot for today and we'll see you again tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!